Hi, friends! I'm Bunnybun. Today we're going to learn about birds. Birds have feathers, wings, and most of them can fly. Some birds can sing, some birds swim, and some are really colorful. Let's meet those amazing birds together. Are you ready? Let's go! Sparrow, a tiny brown bird. It loves to chirp and hop around the garden. Pigeon, a gray bird you often see in parks and cities. It makes a cooing sound. Crow, a big black bird that says caw, caw. It is very smart. Parrot, a bright green bird that can talk. Parrots love to copy sounds. Bird with a flat beak. It goes quack, quack. Chicken, a farm bird that lays eggs. It says cluck, cluck. Rooster, the rooster wakes up the farm. It says cock-a-doodle-doo. Bird with big eyes. It goes hoo-hoo and sleeps in the day. Eagle, a big bird with strong wings. It flies very high in the sky. Dove, a gentle white bird, often seen as a sign of peace. Peacock, a bird with a beautiful fan of colorful feathers on its tail. Swallow, a small bird with long wings that flies fast in the sky. Hummingbird, the tiniest bird. It flaps its wings super fast and drinks flower juice. Woodpecker. This bird pecks trees with its beak. Tap, tap, tap. Goose. A big white bird that honks. It likes to swim in ponds. Bird that sings sweet songs. Flamingo, a tall pink bird that stands on one leg. Seagull, a white bird that flies over the ocean and beaches. It waddles and lives in cold places. Kingfisher, a bird with bright blue feathers that dives into water to catch fish. Turkey, a big farm bird with fancy feathers. It goes gobble, gobble. Stork, a tall white bird with long legs. It likes to stand in water. Quail, a small bird with a funny feather on its head. It lives near bushes. Magpie, a black and white bird that loves shiny things. Blue jay, a bright blue bird that makes loud sounds and loves acorns. chest. It sings a happy tune. Blackbird. A blackbird that sings in the morning. Hawk. A strong bird with sharp eyes. It flies fast and hunts from the sky. Pelican. A big white bird with a big beak pouch. It loves to scoop fish from the sea. Cockatoo. A white bird with a fancy yellow crest. It loves to dance and copy sounds. Starling. A shiny black bird that sings lots of songs. It can copy sounds and flies in big flocks. Pheasant. A colorful bird with a long tail. It likes to walk in fields and sometimes hides in tall grass. Yay, we met so many amazing birds today. Which one was your favorite? Thanks for learning with me. See you next time. Bye-bye, little bird watchers. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss our next adventures.